show, and today we're taking a break from beauty, clearly, and I'm going to cook you a recipe I love making in the winter. It's butternut squash mac and cheese. So the first thing you do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and then we're going to roast the butternut squash so it's soft. So I just like to do a little olive oil and salt and pepper and roast it for like 15-20 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm going to mince an onion that I'm going to saute with the butternut squash. Okay, so a little trick to cutting onions. You cut it in half and then you go this way and make little slivers halfway across. Well, now I'm going to saute the onions before I put in the butternut squash. You probably just need about half an onion. We're going to simmer it with some chicken broth to start making our sauce with all this. I like to do a little salt, pepper, and I always like to add garlic salt or garlic powder. Add some chicken stock. And in the meantime, we can grate the cheese. I like to do extra sharp cheddar and yellow and in white. You probably, for what I'm making, need 1 block total, so I'll do half of each. So now I'm going to add the butternut squash to this and kind of let it all simmer together before I emulsify it, start making the sauce. I'm going to add a little more chicken stock. Now we're going to boil water for the pasta. You can see everything's like really cooked down. I have like a handheld blender. Big fan of this. However, you don't need this. If you have like a potato masher, that'll work just as fine. Or if you want to like let it cool, put it in the blender or a food processor, you do that too. All right, so now we're gonna put in the pasta. I did the elbows. I'm just gonna do a box. We're gonna turn this back down to low. And you see it's a little more of a sauce. And I'm going to add in the cheese. And just let it melt in. A weird ingredient, but it kind of makes the entire thing, is nutmeg. Nutmeg is very potent, so I would say just like try a few dashes, taste your sauce, and then add some more if you need to. Okay, pasta's done. It should be al dente because you're going to bake it, so you don't want it to be too soft. Get a baking dish, oven safe. Butter makes everything better. We're going to add, just take a good chunk and keep the pasta fresh. You don't want it sticking together. So now you want to just pour your creamy sauce over. So now you just mix it all in. Obviously, you can't bake a mac and cheese without some breadcrumbs. So now, you preheat the oven, which you should have done prior to this, however it's fine, to 325, 350. Put it in. Dun, dun, dun.